detox the system. First, empower the body's own natural production of hormones and remove the disruptors that are keeping our bodies from producing the hormones or affecting the receptor sites. Got to do this detox. And I always like to say I do hormone replenishment, not replacement.
So when it comes to weight, one of the ways our body stores toxins away from our vital organs and our brain is in fat. You are one of those people that's doing everything right, and you're eating right and taking supplements, and you're going to bed hungry, and you're fasting, and you're working out all the time, and you're like, what do I have to do here to lose weight? I assure you, toxins are being stored in your fat, and your body is not going to let it go. I mean, you could force your body, you could starve yourself if you want, but for many people doing everything right, got all the boxes checked, and the scale isn't budging, you want to be looking at your toxin load. And additionally, when you look at the toxins and how they affect your thyroid, which is key to have a fast, fat burning metabolism. When you look at, testosterone levels and how toxins affect testosterone, you need testosterone to build muscle and burn fat. That tanks in men and women because of toxins. When you look at how the gut microbiome is destroyed, the good gut bacteria are destroyed by toxins, you have to have a healthy, robust microbiome to have a healthy weight. There's a huge correlation there to people's weight. When you look at, estrogen levels and all the toxic estrogens, these estrogen signals to your body to put on fat because that's why women have more of a layer of fat than men. We have more estrogen. So the liver, when the liver is overwhelmed with all these toxins, 100,000 different chemicals, dozens of heavy metals, many of which it does not know how to process, or it simply doesn't have the nutrients because you're nutrient deficient to break all this stuff down, your liver's going to get backed up. And again, the body's got to store this stuff somewhere if it can't get to it for processing. So though elevated liver enzymes are one indication that very clearly illustrate how toxins, heavy metals, environmental chemicals contribute to the obesity epidemic, resistant weight loss, and the diabetes epidemic as well.